It's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey, it's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, I'm going to be making some custom press-on nails. And in this particular video, I'm going to be prepping 2 sets. So I am doing this set here and this set here, okay? So I have 2 big looks coming up. There's going to be hair, nails, and then a makeup look, okay? So each one is going to be done in a different video, and it's going to come together for one big amazing look, okay? So I'm going to show you how I prep the nails, okay? So I ordered some full cover press-on nails from Amazon. This is one here, and I have, sized them up and everything. I also ordered these little displays. They have a magnetic bottom, and I got this cute little checker board with the white ones and the black ones. So I have some little tacky here, and I have it in white and in blue. I haven't even seen this at the Dollar Tree, you guys. So I ordered this from Amazon, but when I saw it in the Dollar Tree, I had already bought some from Amazon. So what I'm going to do is take the press on and just put it on here. And at first it doesn't really stick, but you have to really press it together. So I just hold it like this and then just really press it in there. If anything kind of spills out on the side, I just kind of press that down, because I'm going to be applying dip powder on top of these to give them a little bit more strength and to build up my design. So I really want it pressed on here good so that I can potentially do some filing on here, or I might glue it on and then do the filing. So now I have both sets prepared. So let's get into the design. So for this, I am going to use this dip powder here, of course, from Bella Hoot. I went ahead and poured it in this little, and I just didn't waste it out, y'all. Oh my God. I poured it in here and poured it in here too. So I'm going to try to get that back in here. But I have my little nails here, okay? So what I'm going to do in the last video, make sure you guys check that out so that you can see how I applied the nails to these little displays. I used this tack it here that I found on Amazon, but I have seen this in the Dollar Tree. So if you see it, go and snatch it up, okay? Get one for me and one for you too, okay? So for the breast cancer awareness nails, they're going to be all pink, and then we're going to do a little surprise, okay? We'll spice it up a little bit, okay? So I'm just going to get started with that. I'm going to go in with my base coat, dip into the pink powder. I'm going to do that for maybe about 3 or 4 layers, probably 2 layers, and then 2 in clear to cap it. I think that's what I'm going to do. And then we're going to get into the kind of fun, juicy stuff, so you guys can just watch me do that. have this big container of clear powder. I got this from Amazon, and I do have clear dip powder, but I'm just going to dip them in here just to try this out. I haven't used it yet, so why not? Now that I have capped all of the nails in clear, I'm going to go in with my step 2, which is the activator. So I have set them all on here, and I'm going to do 2 coats of activator. And this is going to harden the nails. And I like to do 2 coats just to make sure that the activator seeps through all of the layers. So basically all of the same steps that you would do if you are doing dip on your nails, I'm doing the same thing on these press-ons. Then I want to let that dry so that it can fully cure, and then we will be ready to file and continue with our design. So to shape the nails, I'm going to use this Tammy Taylor peel and stick file. And I'm going to do the side walls, the free edge. And then I want to look at the side of the nail. And if there's any lumps and bumps there, I'm going to make sure that I get those. And I'm doing all of this over my little coffee liner just to make sure that all of the dust goes there. So after that is nice and cleaned up, I'm going to go in with a buffer just to further, you know, smooth everything out. I'm going to dust away any excess dust. Now at this point, after you file it, you want to go in with 1 more layer of activator. Now this is going to seep even lower because we filed it, and if anything was not hit with it, it's going to get that. So you want to let that dry. After that dries, you want to wipe off any excess activator. And you want to go in with your top coat, which is step number 3. Now with this top coat, you're going to do 2 coats. The first coat, you just want to get it on there quickly. For the second coat, you want to go back, and that second coat is what's really going to give you the shine. So this is what the first coat looks like, and that second coat is going to give you that high shine. Now we're going to go on top of this with more designs and everything, but I wanted to get that top coat on there first. So if this is all you want, then of course you can stop after you do your second top coat. So now I'm going to let this second top coat dry, and then we're going to come back and start on our design. Okay, so for the design, originally what I wanted to do was make the nail a breast cancer awareness ribbon, but because my nails are so long, that would have required me to cut my nails. So what I'm going to do is kind of do like a negative space design, so that the pink that you see showing through will be the ribbon. And you can definitely use gel polish for this. I'm using regular polish. And I have a brush with some acetone to clean up anything. But that's what it looks like. So with my acetone, or with your acetone, you can just go around, you know, any of the polish and clean up any edges, or, you know, straighten up your lines or anything like that. So I'm going to do my last one. So I'm going to finish this one up like I did the other one. And this is one of the kind of tester ones that I did for how I was originally going to do the tips. So I may still do that one day if I feel like cutting my nails. But as you guys can see, these are my natural nails and they are super long. So that's why I wanted to just do the whole full cover and do kind of black out that area. And that's basically the gist of it, y'all. So the next time you see these bad boys, I will be putting them on. I'm going to go over it with a top coat just to make the whole thing back shiny again, and then I'm going to pop them on. I might put them on with glue and peel base, so I'll show you guys how that looks. So y'all remember, keep God first, family second, and career third. It's a wrap. Make sure y'all come back for the full look. I'll see y'all in the next video.
Choose wrong what you adore. It's a one-stop shop. It's a wrap. Yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.